back to my YouTube channel. Today we are at a car show and look what we found.
Ha. Ha. Okay. Here's Tada.
Show them the inside.
Yeah.
Let's come from this way.
Go on, you go on the other side.
Come from this way. Look at it.
No back seats. Surprise.
This is actually a real Lamborghini, so
We haven't reached the pedals on the. We haven't leaned back all the way. But it says Lambo. This is sponsored by Lambo.
okay, cool. Okay, where are we going next?
I don't know.
Okay, come on, just let me be the recorder now.
Okay, now do the rolls. Now do the rolls. The white one over
Let's do
there.
the man. Let's do the two-wheel one. They're going to show them.
You guys were talking on it or?
The
Yeah.
Rolls Royce. Do the rolls. Do another one, please. And say we're in a Rolls Royce now.
No, no.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm still recording.
What?
Do the rolls.
Doesn't matter. We also found this car. With also some cute dogs in there.
So yeah, this is my mom and my rolls.
This is my mom in the rolls, or whatever it's called. No, not talking
Yeah,
to you.
this is Emmanuel's mama, his hot mama, getting inside her Rolls Royce. Okay, bye kiddos, gotta go.
Okay, that is. Okay, what else? So, hey, stop. Cute dogs.
Cute dogs. I say cute dogs.
That's called.
Cute dogs.
Look at Kiwi.
You guys can copy the license plate. I don't care about the license plate. It ain't on the copy the license plate.